Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's wig review. Today's review is a synthetic unit and it was sent to me by So Good Shop. Thank you so much, So Good Shop, for sending over this wig. Now let's jump right into this new review. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Make sure you're sharing these videos because it really helps me out, and I know y'all want to help me. I know that's why y'all here. Y'all here because you nosy, you want to know about the wig, but you also here because you checking for the kid. So share it with a friend. It's by the Vivica Fox collection. This wig is called Athena, and I do have her in the number 2. So right off the back, I can see that this wig has a nice yaki texture. It's not the type of yaki that's like super coarse and tangly. It's like the bouncy, soft yaki that I really do like. The parting looks like it's actually a skin top parting. Yeah, so it's not a lace parting, it's actually a skin top parting. So usually with those type of parts, there is a concern. There's usually a line of demarcation right here. Probably nothing that some baby hairs can't fix, but let's not speak too soon. There's no lace to cut off of this unit. Oh gosh, there's no combs in the front, y'all. And no combs in the back. Scary. Wow. They could have gave us some combs though. Vivica, what you doing over there, sis? What you doing over there, girl? No, you could have gave us some combs, boo. If you're curious about the bob that I am rocking today, this wig is from Wig Encounters. So go ahead and click here to check out this video. But make sure you keep watching this review. Then you can go watch this review or whatever.
All the ladies in there feeling bossy. Show me what you got now, baby, it's okay. Drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. I said drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. All my dogs in the dance if you got game. Move to the girl, yeah, fam, it's okay. If you're on a wave, but champagne. But I'm with my real niggas and we sipping on Ray. So all the ladies in there feeling bossy. Show me what you got now, baby, it's okay. Drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. I said drop down with it, yeah, baby, it's okay. All my dogs in the dance if you got game. Move to the girl, yeah, fam, it's okay. If you're on a wave, but champagne. But I'm with my real niggas and we sipping on Ray. Yeah, it's mental. Pen got me looking oriental. Me and my crew, we on a vibe.
Alright you guys, so this is Miss Athena, and I definitely had some concerns about her when I first pulled her out the pack. I still have a major concern about this line of demarcation here, but I'm going to keep playing around with it and see what I can do about that. But overall, this wig is extremely natural looking, you guys. Between the density, the texture, the color, the way that she falls, the way that she flips, the way that I just like easily gel down my put edge control on my edges and the wig, and they're just blending so seamlessly. This cap is definitely big head friendly. I'm able to fit all 4 or 5 fingers into this cap, so it's definitely big head friendly. Even without the combs, I actually feel like this cap is very secure. It's very well made. And it fits to my ear tab, like the ear tabs fit to my ears perfectly. I feel like this is a perfect everyday wig. I think this is the first perfect everyday wig that I've tried in 2018, and kudos to you, Vivica Fox, for coming out with the bomb everyday hair unit. I feel like this unit last year for me was Galaxy. Galaxy was thicker than this, and Galaxy's yaki texture was more yaki than this, but the issue with Galaxy is that she did puff up on me, so I had to flat iron her and blow her dry to keep her you know, from getting too woofed up and too puffed up. This wig I don't feel like will get super puffy on you before it's time to, you know, re-up and get a new one. So I think that Miss Athena is one that you need to check out. I'm gonna turn around so you can see her from all sides.
I told that girl drop it like you're meant to. Round here it's just me and my niggas. I see a ting with a real nice figure. Yeah, she said she wanna get to know me. If I can get my money right, I'm about to.
Alright you guys, so you know I don't tell you to rush out and buy wigs. I just kind of show you guys wigs. I give you my opinion and I tell you where you can purchase it if you're interested. This one, I'm going to be quite honest, I would say go grab her. This is a unit that I really love. I don't know if she's new or not. I don't know the status of this wig, but this is a wig that I really love, and I would highly suggest to add to your arsenal because she is so natural looking and so realistic. She's great for beginners. You don't have to cut off any lace. The only downside to this wig is this line of demarcation right here, but you can easily fix that by pushing her slightly behind your hairline and, you know, adding a little bit of baby hairs. If you don't have edges and your hairline is not full and thick, you can easily just trim some baby hairs into the wig. There is full enough, it's thick enough here that you can trim baby hairs into it and create baby hairs using the actual wig, so that's no problem at all. I'm gonna leave a link where you guys can purchase this wig from So Good Shop down below, and I can't get enough of this wig. I love it. I really do. So check her out. Make sure you're checking out my wig blog, www.JessTheDragoness.com, and make sure you are checking me out on all my social media at JessTheDragoness, and on Snapchat at JessTheDragoness with only one S at the end. Stay tuned for the slow-mos because you know they are so lit.
Yeah, that's overdose. All these shots got my body in a comatose, and I see a shorty, yeah, I see you. And if I say I need you, then I need you. So come over, don't be shy, girl. I see you killing them, yeah, you fine, girl. I'm trying to take you home, make you my girl. But first, show me how you wine, girl. Yeah, all the ladies in there feel